Another video, and I recorded an Amtrak train yesterday. Go check that video out. It's kind of short because Amtrak trains are short. So today I got this SD Greenlight trucks. I bought it in Fort Pierce, Florida. I'm in Palm Coast right now, so probably made the slot. I cut it a little bit. As you can see, no, you can't see it. It's kind of blended in. Yeah, and I wasn't showing you with the parts cut, I think. Flat, and then you cut it. And then you peel it. You cut it. They like package it like the same way how they pack master locks. It's so hard to open. I need these scissors. Alright, it's kind of hard to... Yo, YouTubers. Like and subscribe.
You want my help?
Yeah, sure. I really need your help, Dad.
Here, buddy. Norman, there's some really good food in there.
Oh, yeah. From
lasagna.
Oh, my God. I never tried lasagna before.
Come try it right now.
Oh.
Come on. Norman, bring that in. Bring it in the house.
Hold on. It smells brand new. Back door can open. And it has like all the gadgets in there. International. I rented a Penske and it was an International one time, and now we have to rent another box truck because, yeah. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. So, peace out.